Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn off the dark mode on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to turn off the dark mode on your Google Keep on your mobile phone, it's just going to show in this video. You can see the wallpaper is on the dark mode, the colors also in dark mode, everything is on the dark. So I just need to switch back to the lighter mode or brighter mode, or I just want to turn off the dark mode on your Google Keep. So first you just need to click on the standard option on the top. Then you just need to click on the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, you have this option called theme. Click on this. And here you can find three different options called light, dark, and system default. So here, if you are go with the system default, it will be automatically switch between the dark and light. If you just need a light or brighter theme, just go with the first option, light theme. Click on this. So now you can see everything is switched to the light theme. So come back. Here you can find all the wallpapers and also the colors has been changed to the light or brighter theme. This is how you just turn off the dark theme on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.